Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to make a testimonials custom content type with JetEngine and how to display it dynamically in Elementor using the JetElements testimonials widget. The first thing you're going to want to do is hover over Crockablock and click on Update and Installation. And then on JetElements you need to click Install. Once it's installed, click Activate Plugin. You then need to click on JetEngine and then toggle on Custom Content Types. Then hit Save. Refresh the page and you'll now see Custom Content Types appear under the JetEngine tab. Click Custom Content Types and then click Add New, and we'll now create our testimonials content type. So in name, type testimonials, and then I'll use the comments menu icon. And now we're going to create our first field. So click add new. And the first field is going to be called sequence, and it's going to be a number field. And it's what we're going to use to control the ordering of the testimonials. The field width can be 100%, and it needs to be a required field. The second field is going to be called name, and it will be a text field. And this is going to be the name of the person that leaves the testimonial. This can also be 100% width, and it also needs to be a required field. And the third field will be called testimonial, and the field type will be WYSIWYG, and this field is for the testimonial itself. It can be 100% width as well and required. You then need to go to the admin column section, and this is where we can control which fields are displayed on the back end and which fields are sortable. I'm going to toggle off item ID because I don't need this to be visible. I'm going to toggle on sequence and make it sortable, and toggle on is numeric field because this is a number field. And I'm also going to toggle on the name and make it sortable. Click add content type and you'll now see the testimonials custom content type in the menu. Click testimonials and you'll see the management area of our testimonials, which is currently empty. At the top you can see the sequence and name admin columns that we just created. I'm now going to create a testimonial, so I'm going to click add new at the top. You can now see the three fields that we just created of sequence, name and testimonial. So I'm going to go ahead and add my data to this, and you'll notice for the sequence I've added the number 1, and that's because I want this testimonial to be the first one to appear. Click add and our testimonial will now be saved, and I'm just going to go ahead and create some more testimonials. For the purposes of this video, to save some time, I'm going to skip ahead. So now you can see that I've created 3 testimonials, and if you want to, you can sort them by sequence or by name. I then need to create my custom query to fetch the testimonials. So you need to hover over JetEngine and click on Query Builder. I'm going to click on Add New at the top. The query name could be testimonials, and then the query type will be custom content type. I'm going to toggle off cache query, and then from content type it can be testimonials, and we only want to fetch testimonials that are published. And then under order and order by, I'm going to click Add New Sorting Parameter. Under order by, I'm going to select the sequence field that we created, and then order from lowest to highest, and then the type needs to be numeric. Click Add Query, and now everything's set up on the back end. I'm going to head over to my testimonials page. So I've got this area on my testimonials page where I want my testimonials to appear. I'm going to click the add element button in the top left, and I'm going to search for testimonials. And then I'm going to drag the testimonials widget into the container. So the first thing I'm going to do is toggle on use JetEngine query, and then from the select query drop down I'm going to select the testimonials query that I created. You then need to delete all of the static testimonials currently in the widget, but leave the first one as this will be our dynamic template. Image and icon you can just leave blank. Title you can leave blank, and then on comment you want to click on dynamic tags and then scroll down and click on custom content type field. And in the content type testimonials you need to select the field testimonial. You can remove position and date as we don't have this data on the back end. You can remove the text in the name field and then click on dynamic tags and scroll down and click on custom content type. And then under the testimonials content type you need to select the name field that we created. And the 3 testimonials from the back end are now displayed dynamically in the testimonials widget. I'm now going to add some styling to the testimonials widget, so I'll skip ahead. So now that it looks nice and pretty, I'm going to show you how to change the order of your testimonials. Let's say I want to make the first testimonial by Sarah Kent the last one to appear in the testimonials widget. I need to click edit and then change the sequence to 4, and that would then make this testimonial be the last one to appear in the testimonials widget. And that's it. I hope this makes managing testimonials on the back end of your website easier for you or your client. If you don't have Crockablock and would like to purchase it, there is a link in the description. Full disclaimer, it is a referral link. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out some of the other videos on the screen now, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.